TOEFL Exercise 1. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should focus carefully on the second line. Number 1.
How soon will you be leaving?
I'm on my way now.
What does the man mean?
The answer is A. He is leaving now. Explanation: the man says, "I'm on my way now," which implies he is already in the process of leaving.
Number 4.
Could you help me with my physics homework tonight? I'm really having trouble with it.
Sorry, I'm busy tonight.
What does the man imply?
The answer is B. He can help her tonight. Explanation: the man responds, "Sorry, I'm busy tonight," which suggests he is unable to assist her with her homework this evening.
Number 7.
Will you be able to get back from running all your errands by 4 o'clock?
I'll be back as quickly as I can.
What does the woman say that she'll do?
And the answer number 7 is A. She'll call back quickly. The explanation: the woman says, "I'll be back as quickly as I can," indicating she intends to return as soon as possible.
TOEFL Exercise 2. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should look for synonyms for key words in the second line. Number 1.
What did you think of the final exam in algebra?
It was too easy.
What does the man mean?
Answer is D. The exam was not very difficult. Explanation: the man says the exam was too easy, which means he found it to be not very difficult.
Number 2.
How are you feeling today?
I'm really feeling rather sick.
How is the man feeling?
The answer is A. He's not feeling very well. The explanation: the man says he's feeling rather sick, indicating that he is not feeling well.
Number 3.
Has your family been in business for quite some time?
No, the family business was just established last year.
What does the woman say about the family business?
The answer number 3 is A. The company was founded about a year ago. Explanation: the woman says the family business was just established last year, which implies that it was started about a year ago.
TOEFL Exercise 3. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be careful to avoid answers with similar sounds. Number 1.
How long until you'll be ready to leave?
First, I need to water the grass.
What does the woman mean?
The answer is C. The lawn is too dry. The explanation: the woman says she needs to water the grass, which implies that the lawn is dry and needs water.
Number 2.
Do you think I should buy this sweater?
But it doesn't really seem to fit right.
What does the woman mean?
The answer is D. The sweater doesn't feel right. The explanation: the woman said doesn't really seem to fit right, which suggests that the sweater doesn't feel or look right on the man.
Number 3.
Is Walter's job near here?
Walter's been commuting to Boston on a regular basis.
What does the man say about Walter?
The answer is D. He has been traveling back and forth to Boston. The explanation: the man mentioned that Walter has been commuting to Boston on a regular basis, meaning they travel back and forth. This is best represented by a picture.
Number 1.
I didn't bring my laboratory manual today.
You can share mine. Today we're conducting the experiment on photosynthesis, and we can work together.
Where does this conversation probably take place?
The answer is B. In a biology laboratory. The explanation, the woman mentioned a laboratory manual and the man talked about conducting an experiment on photosynthesis.
Number 2.
This is Flight 707 requesting permission to land.
Flight 707, you are cleared for landing.
Who is the man?
Answer is A. He is a pilot. The explanation, the man says requesting permission to land, which is typical for a pilot.
Number 3.
You want to do the dishes now or later?
I'd rather put them off as long as possible.
What will the man probably do?
The answer is C. Wash the dishes for as long as possible. The explanation, the man said he'd rather put them off as long as possible, meaning he intends to delay washing the dishes.
Number 1.
Would you like to go to the new restaurant on the corner?
Is that the one that serves vegetarian food?
What does the woman want to know?
The answer is C. If the vegetables are fresh. Explanation, the woman asks if the restaurant serves vegetarian food, showing her interest in whether vegetarian options are variable, not whether the vegetables are fresh.
Number 2.
Has Harry heard from the law school yet?
Yes, he was admitted by the law school for the fall semester.
What happened to Harry?
The answer is B. The law school accepted him as a student. The explanation, the woman says that Harry was admitted by the law school for the fall semester, indicating that he was accepted as a student. Number 3, the answer is D. She was careful while Mark was gone. The explanation, the woman explained that she took care of Mark's plans while he was out of town, implying she was responsible and looked after them in his absence.
Number 3.
Mark said that you were a lot of help.
Well, I took care of his plants while he was out of town.
What does the woman mean?
The answer is D. She was careful while Mark was gone. The explanation, the woman explained that she took care of Mark's plants while he was out of town, implying she was responsible and looked after them in his absence. Exercise number 6. Number 1. Man. The passengers arrived in a taxi. Woman. Yes, and then she had the taxi driver wait at the corner. What does the woman mean? The answer is C. The car driver waited for the passenger. Number 2. Man. Did you go to the corner last night? Woman. Yes, it was great, and I got to hear Jane play the harp. What does the woman mean? The answer is B. Jane gave a harp recital last night. Number 3. Woman. Did the children like the new babysitter? Man. Not really, because she made them go to bed early. What does the man mean? The answer is B. The children were forced to go to bed early. Exercise 7. Number 1. Man. Are you going to take out the trash? Woman. I have no time to do it. What does the woman mean? The answer is A. She is very busy. Karena kan di sini kan tadi kan soalnya kan Woman kan bilang I have no time, yang berarti I have no time itu artinya dia sangat sibuk. Number 2, woman, are you worried about the interview? Man, it's important to me. What does the man mean? The answer is D. He is not concerned about the interview. Number 3, woman, do you have all notes for psychologies? Man, I didn't miss a single lecture. What does the man mean? The answer is B. His attendance was perfect. Yang artinya si laki-laki itu tidak masuk dalam pelajaran psikologi. Exercise 8. Number 1. Man, do you think Ron Rogers will be elected? Woman, well, it's not completely impossible. What does the woman imply about Ron? The answer is D. It may happen. Number 2. Woman, how was your tennis match today? Man, I didn't serve well and I didn't fall well either. What does the man say about his tennis game? The answer is A. Both part of his game were bad. Yang artinya si laki-laki itu tidak menyukai kedua permainan tersebut. Number 3. Man, was Gary prepared for the debate? Woman, it's not surprised that he was unprepared. What does the woman say about Gary? The answer is B. He was not ready as usual. Yang artinya yang tadi perempuan itu ngomong, it's not surprise, tidak heran dia tidak mempersiapkannya seperti biasanya. Exercise 9. Number 1. Woman, do you expect a lot of rain this month? Man, it hardly ever rains in July. What does the man mean? The answer is A. There's little rain in July. Yang dimaksud dari laki-laki itu tuh it hardly ever, sulit untuk hujan atau jarang sekali hujan di bulan Juli, yang artinya there is little rain in July. Number 2. Man, were all 3 students accepted to the university? Woman, only John was accepted. What does the woman mean? The answer is D. 2 were not admitted. Kan tadi kan bilangin kan kalau dari 3 itu tuh cuma si John yang keterima, berarti yang artinya itu yang 2 laginya itu tidak diterima. Exercise 10. Number 1. Man, are you pleased with the exam result? Woman, I couldn't be happier. What does the woman mean? The answer is D. She's delighted with the result. Number 2. Woman, is Paula lazy as usual this semester? Man, she's never tried harder. What does the man mean? The answer is C. Paula made a strong effort. Number 3. Man, what is a good sale? Did you buy a lot? Woman, price couldn't have been any lower. What does the woman say about the sale? The answer is A. The price were great, yang artinya harganya sangat bagus atau sangat menarik. Exercise 11. Number 1. Man, I'd like to take a trip down the coast this weekend. Woman, me too. What does the woman mean? The answer is D. She would also like to take a trip. Yang dimaksud dari me too itu adalah si perempuan itu setuju bahwa dia juga mau ikut. Number 2. Woman, I would like to see Matt elected to the town council next month. Man, so would I. What does the man mean? The answer is B. He agrees that Matt should be elected. Number 3. Man, I'm not sure if I should take beginning or intermediate French next semester. Woman, neither am I. What does the woman mean? The answer is A. She's not sure which course she should take. Exercise 12. Number 1. Woman. Are we supposed to read all 10 chapters before the exam? Man. As far as I can tell, we are. What does the man mean? The answer is B. He thinks he knows what the assignment is. Number 2. Man. You are out of apple pie. Sorry. Woman. Why not try the cherry pie? What does the woman suggest? The answer is B. The man should try something else. Kan tadi kan si woman kan bilang what not try the cherry pie, yang artinya dia menawarkan opsi lain selain apple pie. Number 3. Woman. Do you know when the movie start? Man. I start at 8 o'clock, doesn't it? What does the man mean? The answer is B. He is not quite sure when the movie begins. Kan tadi kan di akhir percakapannya si cowoknya bilang doesn't it, kan, yang artinya dia tidak yakin apakah itu benar apa tidak. Exercise 13. Number 1. Man. Great, should be here any moment. Woman. Then he is coming to the party. What had the woman assumed? The answer is C. Great was unable to attend the party. Number 2. Woman. My motorcycle is over there. That's how I got to school today. Man. So you can ride a motorcycle. What had the man assumed? The answer is D. The woman did not know how to ride motorcycle. Number 3. Man. I having a few friends over for dinner tonight. Woman. Would you like to come? So you don't know how to cook. So you know how to cook. What had the woman assumed? The answer is A. The man was not a very good cook. Exercise 14. Number 1. Man. Do you think we'll be able to get ticket for the concert? Woman. I wish there weren't so many people in line in front of us. What does the woman mean? The answer is C. The line in front of them is too long. The woman say, tadi kan I wish there weren't. Dia harap tidak banyak orang di depannya. Yang artinya di depannya itu terlalu banyak orang. Number 2. Woman. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you about the parking ticket. Man, I wish you had told me about it. What does the man mean? The answer is D. The woman did not tell him about the ticket. The man say, I wish you had told me. I wish, yang artinya aku harap kamu memberitahuku. Berarti yang artinya itu si perempuan itu tuh tidak memberitahu si laki-lakinya. Number 3. Man. Did you see the work schedule for next week? Woman. I wish I didn't have to work so many hours then. What does the woman imply? The answer is C. She is working too many hours next week. She is working too many hours next week. Kan tadi kan si ceweknya bilang kalau I wish I didn't have, yang artinya dia harap dia tidak punya pekerjaan banyak. Berarti dia, yang artinya itu dia punya pekerjaan yang sangat banyak.